If you're Nigerian and you think buying US stocks or even Nigerian stocks is complicated, expensive, or only for rich people, I'm about to change your mind completely. Because the truth is, you can start investing in both the Nigerian stock market and the US stock market with as little as $10. Yes, $10. I'm Philip, and I personally use the Bamboo app to invest in US stocks like the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF and SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. And I didn't wait until I had thousands of dollars to start. I started small, developed the habit, and I've been consistent. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do the same thing. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Investing comes with risks. You can lose money. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about why you should even consider investing in both Nigerian stocks and US stocks. A lot of Nigerians only think about investing in Naira, in Nigerian companies. And that's not wrong. The Nigerian stock market has some solid companies, banks, telecoms, and consumer goods companies that have been around for decades. But here's the thing. By only investing in Nigerian stocks, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. You're exposed to Naira devaluation, local economic issues, and limited growth potential. The US stock market, on the other hand, gives you exposure to the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google. Companies that are shaping the future of technology, finance, healthcare, and everything else. So the smart move? Diversify. Put some money in Nigerian stocks to benefit from local growth and dividends, and put some money in US stocks to benefit from global growth and protect yourself from Naira risk. That's how you build real wealth. Let's start with Nigerian stocks. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, now called the Nigerian Exchange Group, has hundreds of companies listed. You've got banks like GT Bank, Zenith Bank, Access Bank. You've got consumer goods companies like Dangote Cement, Nestle Nigeria, and Nigerian breweries. You've got telecoms like MTN Nigeria, Airtel Africa. These companies pay dividends, which means you get paid just for holding their shares. And if the share price goes up, you make money on that too. So how do you invest in Nigerian stocks? Step 1. You need to open a CSCS account. CSCS stands for Central Securities Clearing System. This is basically your investor ID that lets you buy and sell stocks on the Nigerian exchange. Step 2. You need to choose a stockbroker. There are plenty of licensed stockbrokers in Nigeria. Some of the popular ones include Meristem Securities, Cordros Capital, Arm Securities, and many others. Your stockbroker will help you open your CSCS account and execute your buy and sell orders. Step 3. Fund your account. You'll need to transfer money from your Nigerian bank account to your stockbroking account. Once it's funded, you can start buying shares. Step 4. Start investing. You can buy shares of individual companies or invest in mutual funds that track the Nigerian stock market. The minimum investment depends on the share price, but you can start with as little as 10,000 to 20,000 Naira. Now, the challenge with Nigerian stocks is that it's not as easy as clicking a button on an app. You often have to call your broker, send emails, or visit their office. It's not the most tech-friendly process. But it works, and there's real money to be made if you're patient and pick the right companies. Now let's talk about US stocks, and this is where things get really exciting. Thanks to apps like Bamboo, Trove, Chaka, and others, investing in US stocks from Nigeria has never been easier. I personally use Bamboo, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. But first, let's talk about what you can invest in. With these apps, you can buy individual US stocks like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, or you can buy ETFs like the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF or SPR S&P 500 ETF Trust. ETFs are my favorite because instead of trying to pick the next winning stock, you're buying a basket of hundreds of companies all at once. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF gives you exposure to the 500 largest companies in America. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust does the same thing. Both are solid, low-cost options that have delivered consistent returns over decades. So here's the step-by-step process for investing in US stocks using Bamboo. And trust me, it's so simple anyone can do it. Step 1. Download the Bamboo app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It's completely free to download. Step 2. Create an account. You'll need to provide your full name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You'll also need to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID. This could be your international passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Don't worry, this is standard for all investment platforms. They need to verify who you are for regulatory reasons. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, you can fund it using your Nigerian debit card. Bamboo accepts Naira payments, and they automatically convert it to dollars at the current exchange rate. You can start with as little as $10. That's right, you don't need $1,000 or $5,000. You can literally start with $10. Step 4. Choose what to invest in. Once your account is funded, you can browse through thousands of US stocks and ETFs. You can search for specific companies or ETFs like Vanguard S&P 500 or SPDR S&P 500. The app shows you the current price, historical performance, and other useful information. Step 5. Make your first investment. When you're ready, just click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and confirm. That's it. You're now a shareholder in some of the biggest companies in the world. Step 6. Set up recurring investments. This is the secret sauce. Bamboo lets you automate your investments so that a certain amount is invested every week or every month. This is how you build wealth. You set it and forget it. You don't try to time the market, you just keep investing consistently over time. Now, one of the biggest myths about investing is that you need a lot of money to start. People think they need to save up 500,000 Naira or 1 million Naira before they can invest. That's nonsense. I started investing with whatever I could afford. Some months it was $20. Some months it was $50. The amount doesn't matter as much as the consistency, because even small amounts compound over time. Let's say you invest just $50 every month in an S&P 500 ETF, and it returns an average of 10% per year. After 10 years, you'd have about $10,000. After 20 years, you'd have over $38,000. After 30 years, you'd have over $113,000. And that's just from $50 a month. Imagine you increase it to $100 a month, $200 a month or more as you earn more. That's how regular people build life-changing wealth. Not by trying to get rich quick, but by being consistent over decades. I've got the link in the description below. Download it, create your account, and make your first investment today. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I'm a millionaire from investing. I'm not. But what I can tell you is that I've developed the habit of consistent investing, and it's changed my entire mindset about money. I don't wait until I have extra money lying around. I treat investing like a bill. Every month, money goes into my investment account before I spend on anything else. Some months the market is up, some months it's down. I don't care. I keep investing. And that's my biggest piece of advice for you. Don't wait. Don't wait until you have $1,000. Don't wait until you fully understand the market. Don't wait until the right time. Start now with whatever you have. The key is to start. The key is to be consistent. And the key is to think long term. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built month by month, year by year, investment by investment. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Drop a comment and let me know if you're investing in Nigerian stocks, US stocks, or both. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we're building wealth together. And don't forget to check out the Bamboo app link in the description. I'm Philip, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get rich.